I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and I love doing collaborations with other channels. It is a lot of fun, and you get to know other people that share the same interests, dolls, and crafting and sewing, etc., in your doll community. If you get the opportunity to do a collab, seriously, try it. You'll like it. It's fun. I'm setting up another collab. I just had one not too long ago where I think it was 5 or 6 of us made this little dress, took this pattern, and we each made our own rendition of this pattern for the American Girl dolls. I have 3 extra of these patterns here that I am going to send out to 3 people that would like to join me in a collab and make this little outfit with the jacket. Now, I want to give you time because I know some of you sew by hand, and that's not a problem at all. But I want to get these out as fast as I can. The collab will be September 23rd, and that's why I thought we'd go with the jacket and make, you know, a little fall outfit or Halloween print outfit, whatever you want. That's the fun part about these collabs, is everybody takes the pattern and then they use their own pattern, their own fabrics, their own ribbons, buttons, bows, whatever. It's really fun. If you're interested, I am happy to send you a free pattern, but I need to know in the comments that you're interested. And when I contact you and ask for your address, I need you to respond quickly. I hate when someone asks me for a pattern and then I try to contact them to get their address and I don't hear from them because I feel bad. I wonder, did they get the note? Did they contact me? I do have my email, and if you don't hear from me, if you ever email me and don't hear back within 24 hours, please send again. Sometimes we don't get our emails. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. I hope you'll join in. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.